So I have contrasting colors. My loom is going to be black and white contrast. Your loom is going to be color contrast with your table color and its opposite, its complement. So we had talked about how the lines that go up and down is the warp. The warp goes up and down. The warp goes up and down. My little strips of paper are called my weft, W-E-F-T. It kind of sounds like the word left, but it's weft. My strips are my weft, and I weave with the weft. I weave with the weft. And I weave with the weft. 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 Okay? Now, on weaving, it does not matter if you like to start on this side or if you like to start on this side. I like to start on this side, but it doesn't matter. If you feel more comfortable starting over here, you can. And like we talked about in the PowerPoint, weaving goes over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. So first I'm going to take my first weft strip and I am going to put it over my first warp. That means I'm going to need to go to the second one. I'm going to lift it a little bit. So this one goes over. I'm going to need to reach with my helping hand and pinch and grab it. It goes under. Now it goes over, pinch, reach under, pinch, and pull. Over, under, over, under. And the last one is over. Now there's a fun part. I'm gonna scooch all the way up. This is when it's important that you cut all the way up to the X. If this one wasn't cut all the way, my weft strip would only stop right there, and that is slanted. So I want to scooch. All right, now I'm gonna have you try, I'll walk around the room and help you out, try the first weft strip. And when we're done with the first weft strip, I will show you how to do the second weft strip. Go ahead and try. All right, great job, you did it. You have your first weft strip in. So now I'm gonna do my second weft strip. Okay, now if I do the same thing that I did before and I start with over, under, over, under, over, under, and I do that, let's see what happens when I scoocha. Oh no, did that make a checkerboard? It did not. I forgot, I have to do the opposite. So this one has my black on top. That means my next row needs to have white on top. So I'm going to go under this time. Under, over, pinch, reach under, pinch, reach under, over, pinch, reach under, pinch. Now let's try it. And scoocha. Very good, that works now. If I try my next one, now I need to do, let's think, I started off with black, then white. Now the next one should be black. Black on top. Now sometimes it might happen that you accidentally scoocha, oh dear. See how I have a double? See how I have a double? I need to try again. Black, white, black. This one should be white on the top. Scooch, 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 scooch. And then you'll keep adding strips until you get all the way down. Now, when we're on this side, our name is on this side. So that means this is the back of our project. We have all these lines, we have X's, we have name and class code. But when we are all done, we can flip it over to see the other side. Now, would you like to see the front? The front is starting to look like a beautiful checkerboard. This is my black and white. You are going to have your table color plus its complement, its opposite. So for example, if you are at the orange table, you would have an orange loom like this, and your orange loom will turn into like this. Okay, this is the back because it has my name, my X's, and all my lines. So if I flip it over, that is what it looks like. All right, I will help you and we will try to weave our papers.